Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of AI, specifically tailored for beginners. If you're new to artificial intelligence, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand its roots, its creators, and how to start using AI effectively. First up, let's take a quick trip back in time. The concept of AI isn't as new as you might think. It all began around the 1950s with a brilliant mathematician named Alan Turing. He asked a simple question: can machines think? This question laid the foundation for what we now call artificial intelligence. Fast forward to the mid-20th century and we have another key figure, John McCarthy. He coined the term artificial intelligence and organized the first AI conference in 1956. The goal? To create machines that could mimic human intelligence. From then on, the field exploded with innovation. But why was AI created in the first place? The main idea was to automate tasks that typically require human intelligence. Think about things like learning, reasoning, problem-solving, and even creativity. Essentially, scientists and engineers wanted to make our lives easier by allowing machines to handle complex tasks. Now, let's talk about how you can start using AI. Today, AI is everywhere, from your smartphone to your car, and even in your home with smart assistants like Alexa and Google Home. To begin, just start with these smart assistants. Ask them questions, set reminders, or even control your home devices. The more you interact, the better they understand you. If you're feeling a bit more adventurous, try out some beginner-friendly AI tools. Apps like Google's AutoML or IBM's Watson offer user-friendly interfaces to get you started without needing a degree in computer science. They allow you to experiment with AI models, understand data patterns, and make predictions. Finally, how do you use AI perfectly? Well, there's no one-size-fits-all answer, but here are some tips. First, always keep learning. AI is a constantly evolving field, so staying updated is crucial. Second, be ethical. Use AI responsibly, ensuring it benefits society. And third, practice. The more you use AI tools, the more proficient you'll become. So there you have it. Quick and easy guide to unlocking the world of AI. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start exploring AI today, and who knows? You might just create the next big thing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights. See you next time.